Clion Marine, the newest generation air conditioning systems. Clion Marine has a whole range of engine and hydraulic-driven systems for commercial vessels. This generation of air conditioning systems are equipped with the latest features, easy installation, and luxury controls. Save energy and enjoy more comfort at the same time. The control boxes of all units have automatic fuses, a pre-wired cable loom with connectors, and pre-wired sensors for quick installation without any risk of wrong installation. Would you like to have detailed information about these new generation air conditioning systems built by Clion Marine? Please contact us on clionmarine.com. Clion Marine, a perfect climate on board.